up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough.
Hi guys, so I'm just working on this middle section here with the two posts for the 450 column by the 670 column. So I spoke to the steel guy and I didn't even think about this. This is why it's always good to get professionals involved. These two, well, all these posts have a 300 by 300 base. So in my plan for the concrete, I only allowed for where the block work was going, which would have been here, down and across with a 150mm strip of concrete either side. Same here, down and a strip of concrete by here. But because of the 300mm overhang, well, 300mm base from there to there, I also need like 150mm concrete coming out from there. So I'm going to have to build a block wall here and across, and same again out from here down and across, and fill it with concrete so they get a good pad stone for these two posts to fix to. So as you can, I don't know if you can see on this floor, I've done the post there, done my 300 square, same there, post 300 square, and then that's where my block work needs to come. I just had to dig this corner out. I got to cut two courses up. Once that's in, sort of backfill the corners and pour concrete in level with this course, which is a whole course of block under DPC. That'll give me the concrete pad stone I need for the guys to fix into, and this saves them galvanizing the steel. And then also I probably got to do the same for this over here in the corner. The post will be going by here, so it should be okay really in this corner. But if they need me to build a bit of a corner out and go from there, that's what it'll be. There's no big issue. I've got plenty of sand and chippings here, plenty of blocks. So it's just a matter of just blocking it up and getting it filled with concrete. Right guys, starting to get there. One more block there. I just created the formwork out of blocks for my concrete pad stone. And you go up one more course. I'm just going to run this course through here, and then I'm going to level up that corner, string a line, bang in the next course, get this all leveled up, and then backfill the soil around the edges, and backfill some soil over there to stop it blowing out when I fill it with concrete. So I'm going to chuck you on the stand over there. I'm going to do another mix now because I've just run out. And yeah, I'm going to go from there. Right guys, so it's a bit more work than I originally thought. I've got my corner pad stone here. I need to go one more course and fill up concrete. Got my last pad stone there, that's going to be pulled up another course and filled with concrete. That's my cavity wall then running down there, and then cavity wall across there once it's all on top, and then cavity wall across there and across there as well. I completely forgot that when you got windows and doors going in, you don't need to take the internal skin all the way up to DPC level. There's one block or brick below, so I only need to go one more course around the window over there, the window here, and the doors by here. It's going to be returned by there somewhere. So yeah, and once that's done, fill it all with concrete, chuck those lintels in, fill everything with concrete, even all these pad stones. So I'm hoping to get all this up to level today, and tomorrow is just an easy day of just mixing up concrete, just backfill some of these areas to hold the blocks to stop them falling out. And yeah, as you can tell, I'm a bit out of breath, a bit tired, but should be alright.
Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you want to be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing.
Right guys, it is now Sunday, it's the afternoon. I've just put a mix on. It's like 7 o'clock in the evening. It's been raining all day, just managed to stop raining. It's meant to be dry for the rest of the evening and dry tomorrow, but tomorrow I want to fill that up and that up concrete. So I've just chucked the top course on now quickly. I don't know how bricklayers do it. It's not even that wet, to be honest, but how they work in trenches when it's just soaking wet, it's just off-putting, just sludgy and horrible. And this is not even that bad. I can imagine it could be a lot worse. So I'm gonna chuck this corner in, chuck that run in, get the course through, get it all tidied up, chuck these 2 cuts in on the end, and then I've got a few cuts around here just to finish this off. That's all I'm gonna do for tonight, unless I got a bit more muck left over, and I'm gonna start the straight run through there. But yeah, slightly drizzling, but nothing I can't lay in at the moment. I'll cover these up just in case you did have a downpour tonight, and then they should be dry for tomorrow. I can backfill the edges temporary, just to get the blocks to stop falling outwards, and then once I fill them up with concrete, level them off perfectly, and they should be good to go. Right, so what we're doing today, guys, is backfilling half the trenches with hardcore from around the front, all concrete, clay, paving slabs. And as you can see, I've just broken in the earth this side, and I'm starting to break in the earth this side just to support it, so when I fill it up, it doesn't push the blockwork out because it's fairly fresh blockwork. I'm going to do the same around the back edge, just backfill it with some earth, and the same over here. I'll probably prop some blocks either side of it because I need to fill that trench in with blockwork, so I don't want loads of mud in there. Ooh, out of breath. So that's the plan. Loads of blockwork, support that. Load of blockwork, support that. Just get all the sand and cement dumped here. Mix up some rough, lean concrete, and then just backfill these, trowel them off flat with that top course, and then is ready to take 2 posts, a post here and a post there, for our steel work. So we'll just get going and get it done.
Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were.
Hi guys, so with this I got sand and chipping together, so like a ballast or all in they call it. I'm doing about 5 shovels of all in to 1 shovel of cement, which will give me a decent, not super strong, but like a decent concrete mix, just to fill these pad stones up. I'm going to trample it down, make sure it's all sink as we go along, and then I'm just going to squeeze off flat on the top, and that'll give us our stands for the steel posts.
Change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better,
this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling, I'll push all my chips and call all